Hello and welcome to Course Networking. This tutorial will show instructors how to create and edit courses on the CN. In this video, you will learn what details are necessary to create a course, how to edit the course to your specifications, and how to use CN courses in the most efficient manner possible. This video will be beneficial to anyone looking to gain a better understanding on courses on the CN and how to use them. We'll start by creating a course. If your institution creates courses for you, then you may skip ahead to the Setup section of this video. If you needed to create your own course, go to the Courses tab and click Create a Course. You can also go to the gear icon next to your CN number, and from the drop-down menu, select Create a Course. Fill in the basic course information such as the course name and course discussion topics. These course discussion topics will later automatically turn into hashtags for course members to insert into their posts. You need to press Enter to save a topic. You will also select the course level and country, enter information about the course, as well as the start and end date of the course. Now we'll go over the access settings. The public setting allows any CN member the option of joining the course. PIN code requires students to type a 4-digit code you set up to join the course. Email request requires students to accept a course invitation email to join the course. Only Me grants no one else access to the course. This option is for instructors to fully develop their course. Then they may go back and change the settings, enabling students to take part in their course. We recommend that instructors create a PIN code and send the PIN code along with the course URL to the people that they would like to invite to the course. When your information is set up how you would like it, click Continue to advance to the Anar Seed settings. Anar Seeds are used by CN as an incentive to participate in the course. Course members earn seeds for activities such as posting or reflecting. All available options for earning seeds can be seen on the table below. The table below is set to the standard number of Anar Seeds rewarded for each action. As an instructor, you can choose to increase or decrease these default settings. Also note that you can change the minimum word count for posts and reflections. This means a post or reflection must have more than the set minimum of words to receive the Anar Seeds. To further engage your students, we encourage every instructor to set up an Anar course goal. To do so, check the box here. Then you can set the total number of required Anar Seeds and the start and due date for earning the number of seeds you typed. For a typical 16-week course requiring around 400 Anar Seeds would be a decent start to experimenting with the Anar reward system. You can also add Anar Seeds to the CN gradebook by checking the box here and fill in the rest of the fields. Then, if you are happy with these settings, click Continue. Global Class Settings is a feature that allows course members to interact with courses of the same course category. We call these courses Global Classrooms on the CN. This will allow course members to interact with global classmates and global instructors to gain a better understanding of the subject. Select a course category from the drop-down menu. For more details about the Global Class feature, please check out the Connect Learners with Global Class video. Once you're finished with these settings, click Create Course. You will see a confirmation that the course was created, and then you'll be directed to the course page. Now we will set up our course page. Underneath the default picture, you can upload an image for your course. Next to the course name, you can click the gear icon here at any time to change the basic course settings, the course Anar Seed settings, the global class settings, group settings, role settings, course completion settings, or to invite a member. On the left, under About, course members can find basic course information such as course access settings, course number, course URL, and more. If you want to promote your course on the internet, you can set up a course public page. On this page, you can add multiple new sections to provide more information about your course. Here is an example of a course public page that is completed. Music for the listener. If we go back to the course homepage, now we can visit the syllabus page. Upload your syllabus here, as well as any other files you wish to be shown on this page, such as a course schedule or a list of required course materials. By clicking on the gear icon here, you can rename the tab. Any name that fits your needs can be used to customize your tabs. Next, let's see how to create tasks. Tasks are what instructors can use to create learning activities or to-do lists. These can be organized by week, by lesson, in a module format, or many other ways. You can click here to see an in-depth overview of 10 separate ways to organize your tasks. Here we'll create an example based on lessons. Now let's create the first lesson by clicking on Create New Task. We can add the title of the task here and change the visibility here. You can set the task as visible to all course members, pick course groups for the task to be visible to, or hide the task until it is complete. Now in the task content field, you can type out what learning materials and activities the lesson will consist of. Text formatting is here. You can also add images and tables to the task. To set up a smart link, you must highlight the section of text you want to build the link. Once you have done so, you will notice that the CN Smart Link icon has become active. Click the icon to start editing the smart link. A new menu will appear and you can choose what action you want to be associated with this smart link. From the drop-down menu, we'll choose Prompt a student to upload a file or assignment for this smart link. After that, you can either select a gradebook item to link to or to create a new gradebook item here. When you're finished with the smart link, click Save, and then if you are done with the task, hit Create. The assignment created within the task will show up on the course calendar, Dropbox, and Gradebook. Tasks can be reordered by clicking and dragging them. You can always go to the gear icon to edit the task, set progress conditions, add a subtask, move tasks, or delete the task. Here I'm going to show you more task examples. You can embed videos in a task, use different layout formats, include a content table, and create subtasks under a main task. Students will submit assignments by clicking on the smart link you created in the task tool. When they have finished submitting the assignments, the submissions will show up in the Dropbox. Now let's go to the Dropbox to take a look. By default, the newest submissions are at the top of the list. You can reorder submissions by other sorting or filtering methods here. You can also choose a specific member of the course to see their assignments or pick an assignment item to grade. These filters can be used in a combination to help you quickly find specific submissions. You can click on the submission file here to download the file, and the grade can be typed in here. Once you are done grading, you can go to the gradebook here to finalize grades. Notice that all the assignment grades were just entered from the Dropbox have automatically been filled in on this gradebook table. Now to allow students to see their grades, you must click on the settings gear icon here and then release grades. Now refresh the course page by clicking on the course image and we'll go over the item creation bar. From here you can create a post, poll, or event. Now let's create a course post. Remember, it is good practice to use hashtags to label your discussion topic. Simply click Instructor Suggested Discussion Topics to insert relevant hashtags or create your own. Once you're done, select an appropriate visibility setting and submit your post. The post is created. You can click on the hashtag to filter posts that contain the same hashtag from this course. To send an email, you can choose specific students, send to the entire course, or pick certain course groups you have previously created. ClassCast is a video conferencing tool that you can use to broadcast a live lecture, host an online office hour, bring in a guest speaker to your online class, or other options. When you need to sort posts or filter specific posts, you can use this drop-down menu here. This checkbox, or the tab on the left menu, allows you to hide or show posts from global classmates. Last but not least, I'm going to quickly walk you through Course Analytics. From this drop-down menu, you can choose to view analytics on activities, grades, members, or a word cloud, which is an image composed of the most frequently mentioned words in the course. In activities, you can check analytics on a number of course visits, NRCs, posts, reflections, and ratings. Grades has a chart showing individual grade versus course average on each assignment. We'll go to the members to see the options there. You can also access this page from the Roster tab on the left course menu. On this page, you can filter members by first name, last name, CN number, or groups. The table is sorted based on course NRCs by default. You may want to use these arrows to sort the table based on other factors. Click Details to check how course members have earned these NRCs and click on the number under the posts. You will see all of the posts a course member has created in this course. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. To watch more CN tutorial videos, please visit the Course Networking YouTube channel. If you have any further questions about the site or suggestions on how to improve the course's feature, please contact us via email at help@thecn.com.